Hello and welcome! In this episode I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress via your cPanel. Okay, first of all you should be already logged into your cPanel. We want to head up to the top here to the search bar and search for WordPress Installer and Select. Okay, on this next page we want to select the domain where you would like WordPress to be installed to. Leave the directory box as is and click Next. Alright, now we're going to give our new website a name and then continue on with the admin details. Finally, make sure the two checkboxes are checked and click Install. Alright, we have your installation details on the right hand side here, including your domain, your username and your password. Now it's always good to make a copy of these and keep them somewhere safe for reference in the future. In the time being, we're just going to make a copy of the password. And now to log in, we can either click this login button here. Otherwise, we can create a new tab up here at the top, type in your domain name and include /wp-admin. This will take us to the administration login for your WordPress website. Now we want to type in the username and paste in that password that we just copied and click login. And here we are, this is your new WordPress dashboard. Okay, and while we're here, we may as well take this opportunity to update a few more of our user details. So first thing, we're going to head over here to Users. Hover over your username and click Edit. Okay, now we can include a few extra details to your user profile, including your first name, last name, update the nickname if necessary. You can then choose how you would like your name displayed on the website. Update any emails and website details. Fill out a bio if you need to. Update your avatar. And because in that last step we had such a long and convoluted password, we can take this opportunity to create a more memorable one. And then finally, update and save. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about today's episode, hit us up in the comment section below or via our socials. See you next time.